Hello students, today we are going to solve problem set 11 standard 5th. So the first question is subtraction. As in the problem set 10 we have seen how the subtraction is done. Now 6 cannot be subtracted from the 3. So we have to carry. So let's carry from 1. This 1 will give this 1 to 6. Now it will become a 13. So now it is 13. 13 minus 6, answer is 7. Now this one has given the carry to the 3. So this one become a 0. Now 5 cannot be subtracted from the 0. So let's carry from this 5. So it will become 10. 10 minus 5, 5. This 5 has given one carry to here. So it will become a 4. 4 minus 2, answer is 2. Now 7 minus 2 is 5. 8 cannot be subtracted from 5. Let's carry from this 8. It will become 7. It will become 15. 15 minus 8, the answer is 7. And 7 minus 4, the answer is 3. So this is our first answer. Now for the second one, 9 minus 3, 9 minus 3 minus, it will be 6. Now 1 minus 2 minus cannot be happen. So this 5 will give this to 1. It will become 11 and it will become 4. 11 minus 2, the answer is 9. 4 minus 4, answer is 0. 7 minus 7, answer is 0. 1 minus 0, the 1 as it is. 3 minus 0, 3 will be as it is. 1 minus 1, it will be 0. So this is your second sum. Now let's go for the third one. Now 3 cannot be subtracted from the 1. So let's carry from the neighbor. But our neighbor is also 0. 0 cannot give anything to 1. So we have to carry from second neighbor, that is 5. But as you all know that 5 cannot give directly carry to the 1. So first 5 will give carry to 10. 0 and it will become a 10. 5 has given one carry, so it will be 4. Now this is 10. 10 will give one carry to here. Now it will become a 9. 11 minus 3. 11 minus 3. So the answer will be 8. 9 minus 2. Answer will be 7. Now 8 cannot be subtracted from 4. So let's carry. Now 14 minus 8. Answer is 6. Now this has given one carry to the 4. It will be 3. 3, 7 cannot be subtracted. Let's carry from 3. 13 minus 7. The answer will be 6. Now it has become a 2. Now 5 cannot be subtracted from 2. Let's carry from 8. It will be 2. 12 minus 5. Answer will be 7. Now this 8 will become a 7. Now 7 minus 3 is 4. 6 minus 2 is also 4. So this is answer of our third question. Now the next one. 8 cannot be subtracted from 7. Let's carry from 2. This will become a 7. 17 minus 8. Remaining will be 9. Now it has become 2 has given already 1 na, तो वो हो जाएगा 1. 1 minus 3 cannot happen. Let's take 11. It will become a 7. Now 11 minus 3, the answer will be 8. 9 cannot be subtracted from 7. Let's take from here. Now 17 minus 9, the answer will be 8. This will be a 2. Now this will be a 3 and give one carry to the 2. 12 minus 5, answer is 7. 3 minus 0, the answer is 3. 5 minus 2 will be 3. 4 minus 1 will be 3. So this is our answer to the third question. Now the fourth one. 7 cannot be subtracted from 5. So we will just carry from 4. Now it will become a 15. 15 minus 7, the answer will be 8. This has become a 3. 4 cannot be subtracted from 3. Let's carry from this. It will be 2. It will be 13. 13 minus 4. The answer will be 6 plus 3, 9. 2 minus 5 cannot be done. Let's carry from here. Now it will be 12. It will be 1. 12 minus 5, 7. 1 minus 4 cannot happen. Let's take from here. It will be 0 and it will be 11. 11 minus 4. The answer will be 7. 6 cannot be subtracted from 0. Let's take from neighbor. Neighbor is also 0. So we will go from second neighbor, that is 7. 7 will give carry first to the 0. 7 will be 6. Now it will be 10. Now this 10 will give one carry to this 0 and it will be 9. Now 10 minus 6, answer is 4. 9 minus 8, the answer of 9 minus 8 will be 1. 6 minus 2 is 4. Now let's take from this. 8 cannot be subtracted from 3. Let's take carry from here. It will be 13. 13 minus 8, answer will be 5. This one will be the 0. Let's carry from another 2 से 1 को दे दो. 10 minus 4, answer will be 6. It will be 1. So this one will give to this one. It will be 0. 11 minus 6, answer will be 5. 0, 4 cannot be subtracted. Let's take from neighbor. Neighbor is also 0. Let's take from another neighbor. So this is 8. 8 will be 7. This will be 10. Now this 10 will give one carry to this, and this 10 will be 9. Now 10 minus 4, answer is 6. 9 minus 5, answer is 4. 7 minus 7, 0. 3 minus 0, 3 is 0. Now like this way we have solved our problem set 11.